Coach, not the match the result you'd want in this game. Your team dig deep in the first half to score, equalized to 2-2. Nicholson got a lot of goals, didn't finish them. I thought he would have got the man of the match same way, but some of your team performance today, coach.
Well, I really give thanks to the performance. I mean, the ball handling skill was very good today. We kept one places on the back heel, and this is what I want. But it's a growth, a continued growth. We continue to mix the youth with the experienced players, and you see what the youth came on and did today as well. They were explosive. Nicholas Nelson, yeah, he could have scored more, but he's a gem. He's gonna go places. He's a superstar.
Yeah, yes, coach, and everybody can see that. His performance is electrifying. The first goal that he scored was a beautiful one. Yeah, but what we can see in the rest of the league. What's your plan? With the boys and stuff like that.
Continue to mix the team, continue to grow. No team wants not to go to the top six spot. We're pushing for that as well. We're mixing the team, we're continuing the blend, we're continuing the process.
Thank you very much, coach, and continue to do the good work and expose the boys.
All right.